A US national was allegedly sexually assaulted at a homestay in Karnataka's Kodagu district, triggering arrest and a wider probe into the incident. Police said the incident took place about a week ago in Kutta village. A staff member from Jharkhand working at the homestay has been arrested along with the owner, who is accused of failing to report the complaint and attempting to suppress the matter. Both have been remanded to judicial custody. The woman alleged her drink was spiked, following which the sexual assault took place. When she reported the incident to the owner, he restricted her communication by disabling Wi-Fi access for nearly 3 days. The woman later managed to leave the premises and approached US Embassy officials who helped connect her with local authorities. A formal complaint was subsequently registered and a case was filed under relevant sections. State Home Minister G. Parmeshwara said that immediate action was taken upon receiving information, stressing that strict enforcement of homestay regulations and licensing norms is necessary. He also noted that such incidents could harm the state's image, particularly when foreign nationals are involved. Kodagu District In Charge Minister N.S. Busaraju has directed officials to conduct a detailed and impartial investigation, highlighting concerns over the impact on tourism in the region. Meanwhile, BJP leader C.T. Ravi condemned the incident, calling for swift justice and stating that such acts damage the country's reputation and core values.